Hello everyone. I am Prem Kumar. I am a student of BCA first semester at GNSU College. I am here to present my first presentation in front of you. Let me introduce my FIT member, Dr. Rajkumar Mandal, Associate Professor of FITE in GNSU College. Today, my topic is BCD to 7 segment decoder. BCD to 7 segment decoder. Definition: a BCD to 7 segment decoder is defined as a circuit that converts BCD input into signals to drive a 7 segment display. Take BCD has input and a 7 segment LED display can be take as output. BCD is input and a 7 segment LED is output. Good. There are four BCD input A, B, C, D and it produces seven output A to Z. A LED, B LED, C LED, D LED, E LED, F LED, G LED. A, B, C, D. This is binary data. There is four binary data in 0 to 15 decimal digit. If I want to display 0, then I input 4-digit number 0, 0, 0, 0. You can see 0. A on, B on, C on, D on, E on, F on. But G off. Off means 0 and 1 means 1. You can see A1, B1, C1, D1, E1, F1, G0. Similarly, I want to display 1. Then I input the data 0, 0, 0, 1. You can see 1, V1, C1 and others off. Off means 0 but 1 means 1. You can see A0, B1, C1, D0, E0, F0, G0. Similarly, I want to display 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But 10 to 15 is don't care. KMI for 7 segment decoder. KMI for A, KMI for B, KMI for C, KMI for D, KMI for E, KMI for F, KMI for G. A equal A plus C plus B into D plus B complement into D complement. B equal B complement plus D complement into D complement plus D into D. C equal B plus C complement plus D. D equal B complement D complement plus C into D complement plus B into C complement into D plus B complement C plus A. E equal B complement into D plus C into D complement. F equal C complement D into D complement plus B into C complement plus B into D complement. G equal B complement into C plus C into D complement plus B into C complement plus B into C complement plus A. You can see BCD to 7 segment decoder circuit for 7 segment decoder. You can see BD AND gate. B complement into D complement is AND gate. AC is output. A is OR gate. Similarly, in B, D, E, F, G. Thank you for listening.